Hello everyone, and welcome back. Alright, so I grabbed the one lock that LockBuster sent me that I know is a challenge lock here because it says LockBuster here on the side. He's got his name engraved in it. It is a 5-pin Euro FF. Not sure what FF is. Never heard of that before, but it does have a Yale style keyway here. And that is the bitting on the key too. So he did some modifications to that key too. So, but anyways, we are going to get this thing in the vise, and we're going to see if we can get it open. All right, let me get this in here. I normally would already have it in here. I just wanted to show you he had his name engraved in it. Alright, let's zoom it up. Make sure we stay focused here. Okay, it does work pretty smooth too. Like I said, here's the bitting on the key, 5 pins. Let's see if we get this open. I think I'm gonna have to use the 40 thousandths again, right here. And I think I can use my pick here as a short hook. And let's see what we got here. I think this is pin 3. Oh, we've got a nice little faucet already. Popped right in there. Okay, I think I got a little bit out of 5. Very little. Okay, pin 1. Okay, we got a deep faucet now. We got a very deep faucet. Okay, I think that was 4, possibly. Yeah, I think that's 4. I'm trying to get under 5. Okay, we went even a little bit deeper there on 5. Should only be one more maybe holding us up here. Okay, that was a nice click off of 4. Some counter here off of 5. And we're open on 5. Awesome. All right. Let's see what he's got in here. Okay, I'm gonna back this up. Grab pin tray here. Okay, we have the key, so we'll lock it back up. Still works good. And see if we get this clip off of here. Okay. All right. I'm definitely going to shim this. All right, let me turn this just a little bit. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Okay, they're all there. They're all working. And they're all pretty well below that shear line. and I felt that I had to pick them all. And he's got some work there too. He's got some threading going on. Alright, let's see what we got. One is a serrated spool, standard in 2, standard in 3. Then we have another, oh, that's a spool in 4. And 5 we have a serrated. And here in the core we have 1, 3, and 5 threaded. Alright, let's see what we have upstairs here. Okay, one is a standard. Spring that wants to be difficult. We'll get those out of there. Steel spring. Okay. 2, we have a spool, commercial spool. I believe that is another steel spring. And we have another commercial spool here in 3. I believe all the springs are going to be the same. Oh, it's a standard. And 4. Yep, all the springs are the same. So, oh, 5 already popped out on me. Sorry about that, but it is a spool. And again, springs are the same. I don't think he's been up here. Nope. Nothing done up there. Okay, well, let's have a look here. Alright. In 1, we have a very cool serrated spool here. 2 is a standard, 3 is a standard, 4 is another pretty deep spool there. And 5 is a, let me see, yep, it is this way, so he's got some serrations here at the bottom. And then up top here we have a standard in 1, a commercial spool here in 2, commercial spool in 3, standard in 4, and another commercial spool here in 5. And all the springs are the same. I believe those are all steel, and yeah. Awesome lock from LockBuster. Thank you very much, LockBuster, for sending this lock to me. Really appreciate that. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks, guys. Bye.